Hey, what is going on? So, today we're going to take a look at a Kenmore. It's an older Kenmore. It's got to be 20 years old. I think this is a rebranded LG or a Gold Star. Not sure what compressor it has in there. I can sort of see it, the label. Yeah, it's a Hero compressor. I'm not gonna be able to get my camera in there. Yeah, it looks like a Hero. So I guess this is like a Gold Star 5250. They don't put dates on these. So yeah, this I got a year or two ago, maybe 2 years ago. I don't remember. Anyway, I just took this out of my storage. I'm gonna try to sell it. So let's turn it on. Compressor's on. Yeah, it kind of sounds like the fan bearings might be a little dry in there, but it sounds like the type of... I've had this type of noise before where they could just sound a little bit dry, and you change the bearings and it doesn't make any difference. It sounds the same, so not entirely sure what causes that, but anyway, I'm not going to be changing the bearings on this one. It's not worth it. It's not worth it to try to resell it because I'm not going to get much for it. I don't know what that motor is. Anyway, yeah, I think this is equivalent to a Gold Star. It's probably made by LG. Yeah, this runs pretty nice. Sounds good, other than that little, it's a very light, dry noise. I don't even think changing the bearings would fix that, so. That's on low cool. High cool. I actually think the grill looks nicer on this than the regular Gold Stars. It's got more of a thin type of thing happening up here. It looks a little bit nicer. So there you go. There's not too much to say about this. It's a pretty simple air conditioner. Yeah, this runs nice. It's pretty cold. Yeah, this probably has lower hours on it than most of the Gold Stars that I pick up. Those are usually look like they've been used every day for 20 years. So there you go. That's an old Kenmore. I'll see you next time.